Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Sele Kalio and I'm very excited that you are on this channel because I'm going to take you on a beautiful ride as to how to get beautiful, glowing, naturally light, bright, white complexion. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sele Kalio. I'm just doing this video to quickly show you one of our reintroduced products, which is this black soap. I'm going to talk about it later in the video. And I also want to let you guys know that our training starts today, the 17th of May, by 6 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you want to join the training, you still want to join the training, kindly message me now so that we can you can be added to the class, and then you can join the class. So that is what I wanted to say. And sorry guys that I'm coming to you with in my pajamas and looking all scruffy. I have been working on this product for you guys, and I'm very sure you will love it, you will enjoy it, and you will recommend it to all your friends and family. What was I going to say? Okay, so I've done this video already, so I will attach the video where I was talking about this soap, and then I'll put it with this one and upload it so you guys can see. After this is the last training we are going to be doing for now on WhatsApp until when we break down our courses. So if you want to join this training, please take this time to hit me up on WhatsApp and join the class. The class starts by the class starts by 6 p.m. Nigerian time, and I can't wait. Let me carry my market on my head. This is our newly introduced black soap. Bye, see you guys later. Hey y'all, I want to show you something very amazing, super amazing. So for a while now, our Bihaku soap has been out of stock. We have been selling our sets with the bar soaps, and they are also super amazing. But I decided to upgrade the Bihaku recipe, and we came out with something even more amazing. This is our moisturizing, brightening, and lightening black soap. This soap is so lovely, so soft, so beautiful on the skin. It doesn't dry your skin out like the regular black soap would, and oh my god, it smells so nice. It smells really good. So it doesn't dry your skin out like the normal black soap would. It actually adds moisture. It has so many botanical plants inside. Botanical ingredients. It has natural ingredients. The famous black Ghana soap. It has some really nice lightening properties and a lot of extracts and amino acids. So I don't know what you're waiting for. If you want a bright, clear, beautiful and soft skin, you want to use this soap. Now this soap comes in two kinds. So there's one that is plain and just moisturizing, and there's another one that actually exfoliates your skin. So that one is a soap and a scrub in one. But the scrub ingredient we used, or whatever we used to make it scrub, is very mild on your skin, so you can use it every day. This soap is amazing. It clears hyperpigmentations. It gives you a bright, beautiful, glowing complexion. I'm going to see if I can get a picture of my girl's face of her before she started using this product and the acne toner. This soap cures everything. Bright skin, it gives you that youthful glow. You have to try it. You have to try it. And guess what? It comes in 2 sizes. This is the small size. It comes in a 450-gram container as well. So you don't have to worry about the price, because you can always get this, and with this you get a very, very good amount of use out of it. This product can last you up to a month with this size, or more even, because a little does go a long way. So I don't know what you're waiting for. This is super nice. And let me tell you something, it has emulsifying ingredients in it that helps to bind every ingredient together and also gives you a beautiful wash. Trust me, no other company does it better. No other company will give you this kind of quality for the price that is going for. This size is going for 8,000 naira only. It is 10,000 naira, but right now we are reintroducing it, so we are doing a sale. So this container is for 8,000, and the 450 grams is for 14,000, but it is going for 12k. So you want to hurry and cop this, because once this batch is finished, the price goes back to the normal 10,000 and 14,000. I don't know what else to say to you guys. Look at how beautiful that is, and it's so smooth and soft and creamy. You want to try this out as soon as possible. The smell is so amazing. I'm waiting for your orders. Send them in. I'm going to have my bath, because this just makes you want to have your bath every time. It smells really good, and the smell just envelopes your room, your toilet, everywhere just starts smelling really nice. Get this and be on your way to joining the Flawless Skin gang. And this soap also has earth clays in it to help purify your skin. So even if you have clogged pores that needs to be deep cleansed, this soap has all the ingredients in it that will help deep cleanse your pores, remove any sebum on your skin, give you a glowing, beautiful complexion. It helps with hyperpigmentation. For a few days I started having sleep bags because I wasn't sleeping properly, and I started using this less than a week ago, and my sleep bags have cleared beautifully, and they're still clearing. So if you want a flawless skin, beautiful glowing skin, you want to try this soap out. I bet you will. This is guaranteed money back guarantee. If you use the soap and it doesn't give you the results that I'm telling you about, then hold me responsible. It is so moisturizing. It will make you want to have your bath every minute. And if you want to get best results out of this, you want to use this with either the Bihaku cream, the porcelain cream, or the Total Effect cream. And then you can also use the face cream as well. Used with this, it will give you a beautiful result. And guess what? We have a few discounts that are going on right now. So if you want to get this soap, let me put it here. If you want to get this soap, then I suggest you hit me up, because we have limited stock, and once this batch is sold out, we will go back to our regular price. This price 1,000, and this container will last you up to a month, because it's very, very it lathers very well, so you don't need too much. I don't want to talk too much. Just try this, and oh my god, did I tell you, it smells so good. It smells so good. Get yourself one and thank me later. The service we carry our market on our head, so I'm carrying my own on my head, on my face.